folks stuck inside the house are finally getting out, and we're gonna go see a local band. So there's live music you can hear in the background. Here we go. Alright, we are now heading to Ryder's, so we've left the classic hotel and now we're heading to another place. It's all American music. Here we go. Well, we're on the bus. It's a 3-hour bus ride for $3.60. Say hello. Hello. So we'll introduce you to the Huye when we get there. Well, that was awesome. Now we're on our way back from Huye, all on the same day trip. So we're on the new bus now, headed back to Kigali. This is the convention center, all lit up at night. It's very cool. It changes colors. As the lights go around, you'll notice it changes colors.
Thank you for watching part 1 of our Rwandan adventure. Make sure to catch us next time for part 2, where we spend the weekend on the Rwandan and Congolese border on beautiful Lake Kivu.